Hi, my name is Matt Lees, Head of Digital Engineering here at Cadline, and today I'm going to give you a short introduction to DynamicAIM. So what is DynamicAIM? DynamicAIM is a place for digital stuff. What digital stuff? Laser scans, 3D models, asset information, all the beautiful data that we're using through design and construction. Where do we put it? How do we hand it over? This is our solution. Okay, so it's a single user sign-on, and we're greeted with what we call client level. You'll see a map here on the right hand side where we can drill down to site locations. It's built on a strong GIS package that we've had out in the market for about 13 years, DynamicMaps. And that's where we can put all these beautiful GIS layers on. So we can locate a site on the map, or on the other side here, we've got thumbnails for site location. So now we're at site level, where we can put satellite imagery on, and then we go down to building level. And this is where we start to see all the folders of data. On the left here, this is our dynamic window. We call it that because it'll view anything. As you can see here, it's viewing a 3D model. It could be any type of model. We use the Forge viewer built inside to help process that. We can also view laser scans. This one's opened up quicker through DynamicAIM than it does on a desktop. So we can jump straight into the scan. Because it was done to 1 to 2 millimeter accuracy, we can be confident that we can put a quick measure on there and be there or thereabouts with our measurement. Again, this is done from the comfort of the office over the internet. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to get down to the asset data now. This here, a lot like Google Street View for inside facilities. Let's put it on full screen. If you know your way around a facility, a plant, a building, walk up to it as if you're on site and you'll see things tagged up. So here we hit the tag and that takes me to what we call asset on a page. And it's this part of the system where we see data from the SQL database. We can open up operation and maintenance information, everything that we want to see linked to that asset. Again, if we can load up a BIM model for a certain asset. If you've got that from your suppliers, it's a great place to put it all. Once we're in the 3D view here, you can see we can put quick measurement down, check it for access, lifting and maintenance, etc. Another way of finding data is using the search bar at the top. So we can put keyword in, tag number, etc. and that will allow us to search a database and get straight to asset on a page. And if we don't know where that asset is in the building, we can click view in 3D, and wherever it is or whatever level it's on, whatever building it's in, it'll zoom you straight to that piece of equipment. So that's pretty powerful in my eyes. So I hope you enjoyed that small introduction. If you want to know any more, please get in contact and we'll do a Teams meeting. Thank you.